Pro is in our labs, and we have some early results that we want to share with you right away. And right off the bat, this is one of the fastest laptops that we've ever tested at this price. So what Apple sent us was the 13-inch MacBook Pro, and the SSD in particular is the fastest that we've ever tested inside a laptop. Here's the first results. First up is Geekbench 4. Now, this is a test that tests overall system performance, and the MacBook Pro scored over 18,000. The next closest ultra-portable laptop on the Windows side of the aisle, which is the XPS 13, got 14,000. Everything else was underneath that. So if you're looking for speed and productivity performance, this is a good system to get. Where the MacBook Pro really blows away the competition is its SSD. Now, it's partly because of Apple's file system, but there's no denying the results. So we saw a data copy rate of 2,500 megabytes per second. So I'm not saying that wrong. So the next fastest system that's an ultra portable on the Windows side is the XPS 13, which got close to 400 megabytes per second. And on average, we're looking anywhere between 200 to 300 megabytes per second. So this is in a different league. A lot of people are going to be wondering, okay, so how fast does this render video? On our test, where we use the Handbrake app, and then we transcode a 4K video to 1080p, the 13-inch MacBook Pro took about 16 minutes and 57 seconds. So that is among the fastest in its class, but it's not the fastest. The XPS 13 got 16 minutes, but other Windows Ultra Portables can take longer than 20 minutes, so it's still near the top. How about something a little more straightforward? So on our Excel test, we matched 65,000 names and addresses. And on this, the Apple MacBook 13-inch got 1 minute and 16 seconds. But that was actually third place, behind both the XPS 13 and the Asus ZenBook 13. The 13-inch MacBook Pro did fall down to earth when it came to our gaming and graphics test, because on Dirt 3, we got about 38 frames per second. And that's not great when you consider that there's Windows Ultra Portables like the Huawei MateBook X Pro that get in excess of 100 frames per second. Same thing goes for the Asus ZenBook 13, and that's because they both had NVIDIA graphics inside. But even other Windows Ultra Portables with integrated graphics get anywhere from 40 to 60 frames per second. So if you want a game, this is not the machine. So this is just the start of our testing of the 13-inch MacBook Pro for 2018. We're going to be going on the keyboard, see how quiet it is, see how good the battery life is. Apple says it should be up to 10 hours. So make sure you go to laptopmag.com and stay tuned for our full test results. This is Mark Spoonhour.